Mercedes-AMG is preparing to shake things up next month with a bold new super sedan set to replace the current GT Four-Door Coupe. While the brand has not yet revealed the car's name, recently released teaser images offer a much clearer glimpse of what to expect. And from the looks of it, this is going to be a major step forward for the performance brand. One of the most noticeable changes is the departure from the current model's liftback design. Instead, the new AMG sedan appears to adopt a more traditional trunk layout. A clear body line divides the rear window and the camouflage spoiler, suggesting a switch in rear-end design philosophy. Though still wrapped in disguise, the car shows off its long proportions, aggressive stance, flush-mounted door handles, and stylish multi-spoke wheels. The sloping roofline helps it retain the coupe-like elegance even in a larger sedan body. A few subtle details stand out on the front end. There is a strong possibility that the hood could open to reveal a front trunk, adding some practicality to its performance pedigree. The rear taillights remain a mystery, possibly test units or even decoys, but the front daytime running lights seem close to production ready. Underpinning this sleek machine is the AMG.EA platform, Mercedes-AMG's dedicated electric architecture, aimed at creating genuinely engaging, fun-to-drive, performance electric vehicles. Alongside this sedan, there is expected to be a sport utility vehicle sibling sharing much of the same powertrain and architecture. Both are set to utilize YASA's axial-flux electric motors, which are known for their lightweight design and impressive output. These motors can produce up to 480 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Despite the impressive motor specs, there is still the issue of weight. High-performance electric vehicles are not exactly featherweights. For reference, the current AMG GT Four-Door Coupe with the V8 plug-in hybrid setup weighs 5,269 pounds, heavier than a 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport and nearly on par with a Chevrolet Tahoe. It is likely the upcoming electric sedan will remain in that ballpark. That extra weight will be backed up by serious performance. Reports suggest the new model will be powered by two electric motors, capable of producing close to 1,000 horsepower and more than 1,000 pound-feet of torque. However, it remains to be seen whether Mercedes-AMG will opt for all-wheel drive with one motor per axle or put both motors at the rear to create a wild, rear-biased setup. Mercedes-AMG is expected to reveal the car in full next month. It could represent a significant turning point for the brand, especially as it leans more heavily into electrification. Still, power numbers and futuristic styling may not be enough. AMG fans are a passionate group, and winning them over will require more than just raw figures. It will require a driving experience that stays true to the badge. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car news and exciting updates.